Hello everyone, and today we have a review on BOYUEDA Q52 V18 A dual motor car W high-speed foldable electric scooter 10-inch vacuum tire. 3200 W dual motors provides strong power. The highest speed can reach 60 km/h. Via lithium battery provides ample battery life, with a maximum battery life of up to 50 kilometers. Fast folding design, more convenient and portable. Using integrated controller, it is more convenient to repair and maintain later. The whole vehicle is reinforced with aluminum alloy material, and the maximum load can reach 200 kg. Hydraulic disc brake plus 114 disc brake disc with E-Mobo's electronic brake provides strong braking force, effectively shorten the braking distance. Suitable for adults and teenagers with seats. I recommend. Price $850. For today everything. I hope you liked the review. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.